And this is just a breaking reminder that in less than 1 hour from now, the big announcement from India's HRD minister will be out on the board exam dates. At 6 p.m, dates for the CBSE's 10th and 12th standard board exams will finally be out after many weeks of suspense. The Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal will be providing clarity on the dates. A few weeks ago, he had said that at 6 p.m. on the 31st of December, he would be addressing students live, which you will see here on India Today, on when and how these exams will be conducted. Nearly 3 million students' futures depend on this one announcement, and I know that lakhs of students are watching India Today right now, and I can tell you for sure that over the next 60 minutes, we will do everything we possibly can to prepare you for what is coming at 6 p.m. Milan Sharma is live with me from Delhi. Milan, 6 p.m. is when HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal will be speaking live on national television. Of course, we'll have it here on India Today. Finally, that suspense and anxiety, whichever way it goes, Milan, will come to an end. Students will be in the picture about when those exams will be and how they're going to take them.
Well, that's right, Shiv. The picture will be clearer for lakhs of students who have been waiting to give their board examinations this pandemic year. We've already seen a delay that has taken place earlier when the examinations are supposed to be held from February to March, but that was announced earlier as well that there will be a delay looking at the situation of the pandemic. Remember, Shiv, schools have still not started. In many places, students have been studying remotely. They have been studying online the entire year, but very crucial for those studying in class 10th and 12th, because they give their board examinations, the 10th ones with the CGPA scores, and very crucially for the 12th class students. So at 6, the Education Minister himself is going to announce the dates of when these CBSE examinations will be held this year. And of course, all precautionary measures will be taken. We'll have to wait and see what are the kind of arrangements that schools will be asked to put in place to make sure that students are safe as they give their exams in 2021.
Milan, thank you very much. We're all awaiting in great anticipation that clarity that the HRD minister, he's put it out for 6 p.m. on New Year's Eve. You know, it's already a difficult time. The students are probably wanting to, not have that anxiety on their shoulders. It's New Year's Eve, maybe a little bit of time to celebrate. But 6 p.m. is the chosen time by the HRD minister when that announcement is going to be made about how and when the board exams for class 10 and class 12 will be taking place. I want to introduce you to the stakeholders of these exams who are going to be joining me over the next 90 minutes.